AI agents explained in 3 minutes how they work and why they're powerful. AI isn't just about chatbots anymore. Imagine software that can think, plan, and take actions on its own. That's what AI agents do, and they're about to change everything. AI agents are becoming the next big thing in artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explain what AI agents are, how they work, and why they're so powerful, including examples of some of the best AI agent tools like Claude Agentic AI and others. What AI agents are. An AI agent is a type of artificial intelligence designed to autonomously make decisions and take actions to achieve a goal. Unlike regular AI, which responds to prompts, AI agents can plan steps on their own, adapt to changes in real time, solve complex problems without constant human guidance. These agents are being used in business, research, automation, and more. How AI agents work. AI agents typically work through 3 key components. Perception. They gather information from their environment or input data. Decision-making. They analyze the information and plan actions based on objectives. Action. They execute tasks automatically and learn from results to improve. Some agents are single-purpose, while others, called agentic AI tools, can handle multiple tasks independently. Examples of AI agents. Some popular AI agents and agentic AI tools include Claude Agentic AI, designed to perform multi-step reasoning and follow instructions autonomously. AutoGPT can research, plan, and execute tasks online with minimal human input. Agent GPT allows you to create custom AI agents for specific goals. These tools showcase the power and versatility of agentic AI. Why AI agents are important. AI agents are important because they save time by performing complex tasks automatically, increase productivity across industries, can handle repetitive, time-consuming tasks more efficiently than humans, open up new possibilities for research, automation, and personal productivity. The ability of AI agents to operate autonomously makes them a key innovation in AI development. Limitations of AI agents. While powerful, AI agents aren't perfect. They can make mistakes if data is incomplete or biased, fail at tasks requiring deep human judgment, need supervision to ensure ethical and safe outcomes. Human oversight is still critical, especially for complex or sensitive tasks. In short, AI agents are autonomous software systems that perceive, decide, and act to achieve goals, often without continuous human guidance. If you want a guide on the best agentic AI tools you can use today, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations of cutting-edge AI concepts.